This is a room tour of 8059. It's a Pyramid King Room at the Luxor. As you come in on the left, there's your bathroom. It's got a nice big mirror, single sink. They've just added bottles now rather than getting a bar of soap and a little bottle of lotion. You've got your toilet, full-size shower, which again has bottles of shampoo and body wash. So rather than the little bottles, they've got them on the side, which is good. And then as you come in, you've got a full-length mirror. We've literally just come straight over from downtown. And then you've got your telly and your bed, lamps either side with outlets on. It's a fairly dark room. I know we haven't got the lamps on, but there's no overhead lighting. It's just what you can see. You've got a writing desk and chair, and then two comfy chairs and a little table. And then over here you've got your closet, which is a full-size closet. I think there's a light that's meant to work, but it doesn't work, so you can't really see in there. And then you've got full storage. I think that used to have a fridge, but you've got drawers for storage, and in one of the drawers I believe the safe is in by the bedside table. That's the one over there where Jess is. So you've got a safe over there, and then the view is a mountain view. Don't know how much you can see of it because it's got the film on the side of the Luxor, but we can see the pool and the mountain. It's a very grey day anyway, so you'll probably be able to see more on another day. But that's a room tour of Pyramid King Room at Luxor. Bye for now.